y'all, it's Margot from the Just Living Life YouTube channel. I am finishing the sugar-free orange marmalade, trying to get it so I can get it packed and put them in jars and put them so they can seal. And then I have another little container that if I have a little extra, I might just put it in here in the fridge. The last time I had talked to y'all, I had told you I had put the pectin in, and as you can see, it's, sorry about the lighting, it's very thick. You can tell from the way it's moving, it's very thick. I don't have my light on, my other light on right now, so I apologize for any darkness. So it's very, very thick. I have my jar lid soaking in extremely hot water. Our tap water is very hot. And I have my canning lid, and I have these little jars that I had bought last year. They're ball jars, and I had bought them at one of the sales from last year. So I have my lid, and I'm going to fill it up to about right here, to the bottom of it, the last, I'd say, 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. And so I'm going to do that now. And I have my water on medium high, or about medium, so it'll come to a boil. Once it boils, I'll leave it in here for between 5 and 10 minutes. After that, I will cut the water off and put it to the back and let it fully cool down, and then I will take them and place them on my shelves. So with this, I will just take it and place it in my jars. I'm not really sure how many jars I'm going to get, because it was only 2 oranges and 1 lemon. It looks like I might only get 2 jars. Just here. See, it's there. I'm going to push it down just a little bit, so it's down at the edge of the jar. See how thick that is? And it is so good. And then I will take my lids that I have already had heating in very hot water, and I will wipe my lids to make sure they are clean. And then I will place my lids on and put it on there tight. And then I have my, and I am not good at using these at all. I'm going to place it in here. The jars are already hot. Once all 4 jars are in here, then no, 2 jars. I'll have enough for 2 jars. So 2 oranges and 1 lemon will have enough for 2 jars and a little bit more. So let me show y'all. Get this. Go ahead and we'll see how much is left that I'll be able to just put into the fridge. It doesn't look like it's going to be much, if any. Might just have to put one of these jars in there, but I'm going to seal it and let it stay sealed for a little while. I'm going to let it get cold in the fridge. I have just a bite or 2 there. And this here, push it down, And you can see that it's right here at the bottom of that lip. I'm going to wipe off the edge. Grab a lid and place it on there. Tighten it up and place it. Really don't trust these things. I think I need to get another one. Place it in there so one's on one side and one's on the other. I will remove that. And I have a little container here that I was telling you about. There's not much here left. But just enough for me to make a little toast for tomorrow, the next day. I'll let my grandson try it before it gets fully nice and cold. I might put one of them in the fridge and let it really get good and cold. I told you I was going to try this right here in front of y'all. This sugar-free orange marmalade. It is so good. And it'll be even better on toast. I love orange marmalade, and having the extra, for me, having the extra sweetener in it really makes a difference. And cutting it up and letting it cook until it's really soft. Sorry. Makes it where it's a lot easier to eat. Especially if you have a hard time sometimes chewing on something or biting down. Perfect. I highly suggest using sugar-free sweeteners and sugar-free pectin. So that way we can all help watch our health, even if it's just a little bit at a time. So, for now, finally got it done, y'all. I might even try putting both these videos together so it'll be on one whole video. But if not, there's going to be at least the 2 parts here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be posting again soon. My plants are getting really big, and I have some new babies, and I have a new surprise outside, and maybe a new one soon. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this sugar-free orange marmalade. It is really good, and it does not take no time. I've been really busy, so it took me days to get it done, but as you can see, it still turned out absolutely amazing. So, until then, I'll talk to y'all again soon. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.